Welcome to A&M Education, College of Creativity and Technology. In this session, we will discuss about the topic optical disc. An optical disc is a flat, circular, plastic disc coated with a reflective plastic material. The bits 1 and 0 are stored as spots in the form of highly reflective areas and less reflective areas. The stored data may be read with a laser diode. These disks are capable of storing high amounts of data. The optical disk storage system consists of a rotating disk coated with a thin layer of metal that acts as a reflective surface, and a laser beam which is used as a read or write head for recording data onto the disk. In a single track optical disc, storage capacity is calculated by the multiple of number of sectors and number of bytes per sector. Since the storage capacity of an optical disc is huge. Storage organization of optical disc. An optical disc consists of a single long track in spiral shape. This track starts from the outer edge and spirals inward to the center of the disc. The spiral shape of the track makes the optical disc suitable for storing large blocks of sequential data onto it, such as music. These tracks are further divided into small sectors of the same length. The rotation speed of the disk varies inversely with the radius of this disk. The disk moves slowly when the data are being read near the edges and moves fast when close to the center. Since read or write operations are performed through laser beams, no axis arm movement is required that is used in the case of magnetic disk. Compared to the magnetic disks, where the tracks are arranged in the form of concentric circles, in an optical disc, the tracks are organized in a spiral fashion. This results in the slower random access time than in the concentric circles. The access time for an optical disc ranges from 10 to 40 milliseconds, which is very low as compared to a floppy disk, which has an access time of several hundred milliseconds. Access mechanism of optical disc. The laser beam technology used for reading or writing of data on the disk surface of the optical disc. It uses two laser beam sources of different intensities. The greater intensity laser beam is used to write on the recording surface by turning it on and off. The lesser intensity beam is used to read that stored data, which is strongly reflected by the coated surface called land and weakly reflected by the burnt surface called pit. The changes in pattern are detected by a photosensor and converted into digital signals. Types of optical discs. First type, compact disc or CD. Second type, digital versatile disc, that is DVD. Third type, Blu-ray disc, that is BD. Now first one, compact disc, that is CD. Compact disc is the most popular and the least expensive type of optical disc. It was originally intended only for storing music and can record about 80 minutes of uninterrupted playing time. But now, a CD is capable of being used as a data storage device along with the storing of digital audio. A CD is a shiny, silver color metal disc of 12 cm diameter. A typical optical disc is made up of three layers: a polycarbonate base through which light can pass, a layer of aluminium, and a protective layer of acrylic on top of that. The pits of CD are typically 0.5 microns wide, 0.83 to 3 microns long, and 0.15 microns deep. A CD has one track that spirals from the center to the outside edge. The single track is divided into sectors of equal length and density. Files are stored on these particular contiguous sectors. Compact discs are available in various formats. First, CD-ROM, that is compact disc read-only memory. Second, CDR, that is compact disc recordable. And third one, CDRW, that is compact disc rewritable discs. A CD-ROM disc comes with pre-recorded data by the manufacturers and can be read but cannot be altered. CDR is a type of worm, that is write once, read many, disk that allows you to record your own data. Once written, the data on the CDR can be read but cannot be altered. A CDRW disk is rewritable version of CDR. That means it allows writing, erasing and rewriting of data several times. The data recorded on all the CD formats can be read using the CD-ROM drive. CD-ROM drives are characterized by the spin rate. The spin rate is the rotation speed of the disk and it influences the information retrieval speed, that is access time. Reading data from a CD-ROM. A CD is made up of three coatings, namely polycarbonate plastic, aluminium, and an acrylic coating to protect the disc from external scratches and dust. The polycarbonate plastic is stamped with millions of tiny indentations, that is pits, molded in the spiral shaped track. A CD drive reads information from the CD spiral track of pits and lands, starting from the center of the disk and moving to the outer edge. A light is beamed from a semiconductor laser through the bottom of the polycarbonate layer, and the aluminium coating monitors the light being reflected. Since the CD is read through the bottom of the disk, each pit appears as an elevated bump to the reading light beam. Light striking the land areas is reflected normally and detected by a photodiode. As the disk rotates at speeds between 200 and 500 rotation per second, the light bounces off the pits, causing the frequency of the light to change. The reflected light then passes through a prism and onto a photosensor. Light reflected from a pit is 180° out of phase with the light from the lands. Differences in intensity are measured by a photoelectric cells, which converts into a corresponding electrical pulse. Writing data to a CD, CDR, that is compact disc recordable. On a new CDR disc, the entire surface of the disc is reflective. The laser can shine through the die and reflect off the gold layer. Hence, for a CDR disc to work there must be a way for a laser to create a non-reflective area on the disk. A CDR disk has an extra layer that the laser can modify. This extra layer is a greenish dye. When you write data to a CDR, the writing laser heats up the dye layer and change its transparency. The change in the dye creates the equivalent of a non-reflective bump. The decomposition of the dye in the pit area through the heat of the laser is permanent. Therefore, once a section of a CDR is written, it cannot be erased or rewritten. However, both CD and CDR drives can read the modified dye as a bump later on. CDRW, that is compact disc rewritable. CDRW disk is erasable and rewritable because it uses phase changing material on its recording layer, usually an alloy of silver, tellurium, indium, and antimony metals. Phase changing material changes its state when heated to a high temperature and can be converted back to its original state when heated at a temperature slightly below its melting point. In CDRW disk, the recording layer has a polycrystalline structure initially. While writing to the disk, the laser heats up the selected areas to a very high temperature, which melts the crystals into a non-crystalline amorphous phase. These areas have lower reflectance than the remaining crystalline areas. This difference in reflectance helps in reading the recorded data as in the case of CDR disk. To erase data on a CDRW disk, a process called annealing is used. During this process, the area on the layer that has been changed to the amorphous phase is converted back to its original crystalline state by heating it to a temperature slightly below the melting point of the phase changing material.